Hey Taola, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to get a 50 Rand sign up bonus. Danko. Welcome to my fans Wetu TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, AmaZulu 0. I am joined by the chairman of Kwaguqa branch.
The Hustler.
It's the Hustler. The chairman of Kwaguqa branch.
I'm good, mfowethu.
Ubona kanjani?
I can be sharp, mfowethu. Yeah, be sharp. Not there's one thing engifuna ukuyicela Steve. There's one thing engifuna ukuyicela ne. Niyeke Brian lento yokuthi makudlala igame la, udlala igame eOrlando, nihambe neOrlando. Ayikho lento enzeka le.
Siyaxolisa
please. Siyaxolisa la. Ngoba siyaphuma sibantholi siyaxolisa abadliwe 2-0 or benzani yabona.
Siyaxolisa nje.
Ngicela ukuthi nibe la nje.
Nani nihamba nesiyaqolisa
please.
Hayi bafethu siyaxolisa.
Please, so
siyaxolisa bafethu.
So yabona le Sundowns le. Angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu. Yabona le Sundowns le. Sazokwenzeka okuningi mfowethu. I-performance yanamuhla it was good. And that's why ngasho last time ngathi also the rotation of the players.
Iphutshwa
la. The rotation of the players is good. Mfowethu. And come njengoba ukopa shilo come Sunday. Siya celebrate thina. Yabona there's one guy lengumthandayo and ngicheck ama interview akho uMahlatsi. uMahlatsi shem uyangichaza yona.
uMahlatsi umuphi lo chief?
Yazichaza ngani? Ufuna abahlangane. Bakhathele iSundowns solubhizi yawini. Ufuna abahlangane. Ngizwile Bulukhoya ngimlalela ngathi I remember wayibeka mara.
So congratulations to Shalulile. 400 goals.
Yes.
Yes. 400 goals.
Yes.
Damano berekile. Not Khanyal. Congratulations.
100 goals. 100 goals.
Most important,
And thank you for Team Holo. Thank you for Team Best.
Amahlathi hayi no. Utabakopana bahlangane benzeni. No, bakopana bahlangane benzeni. Sundowns will remain the best. And I want to say those who are on top, they are busy sabotaging Sundowns.
Kanjani Hustler?
They are busy oppressing Sundowns. But we rise.
Mara oppressa kanjani?
You can uzophuma uzithimu the whole week, then Sundowns idlala Wednesday iphinde idlala na Saturday. What's there mfowethu mara? What's there mfowethu mara? And they think that we keep on surviving. Sundowns izothatha league fans and lama chest pain lawo aya straight Soweto. Yes, those two chairmen.
Chest pains.
Those two chairmen. Dr. Ivan Khoza and Kaizer Motaung.
I'm a chest pain.
I agree. The team lengebayenze next. We are the best team.
So iliki so winile Hustler.
Angiqedile mfowethu. Yami lento le. Abanginike yona mfowethu.
Ngitshela ngeNetbank we win Netbank yethu.
Nayo yami. After Sikhukhune vele Sikhukhune ngiyadlula. After Sikhukhune ngidibana lo Msopo. Then after lo Msopo, I don't know emarumo or izophinda futhi ngenzela umsebenzi ngidibane na emarumo or ngidibana na because ibhakane it's weak. Ngisho mina angangitshela ukuthi azangitshela ukuthi ulokhanja kusicoach. And idala ngisho will go back all interview. Urubera kusicoach nalona abi wakhona na kusicoach. Those two guys akusima coach.
Yini Hustler?
Labantu abaya akusima coach maplamba labantu abaya.
Maplamba.
Hayi. Banendi my league.
Yena urubera kana plan B. Yena urubera kana plan B.
Banendi my league khona.
Mara into engifuna ukuyisho
khuluma nje
Espiwe ukuthi game ya Sunday and the game Sunday shift lane Saturday
Angibathi bangimuvele to FNB.
Why?
Bangimuvele to. Angibathi
Why isibekelo Sunday benza ukuthi singezi ngoba siyasebenza manje siyeza.
Oh yeah.
Siyezwa ngenkona. Lofwe. Umsebenzini ngamanye lofwe mara sobe sikhona.
Yeza sasikani. Full house.
Awusijolo. Noma ngayibeka manje siyeza. Asitandaba nabo. Ngiyabonga Brian.
Thank you.
Asla imbanganani madoda. Uhlangane super sport, uhlangane nonke. Akensenze next.
Before Sivala, man of the match afanda ubani.
I will give it to Lentwana le Umubara.
Mubara. Oh,
Udlalile. Chela down yeah.
Yeah, and then score Sunday first.
Lo msopolo ya. Lo tito khona ubuyile masobe bani. Athi banike 2-0.
2-0.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Ngiyabonga Shayam.
Singena yona.
Yeah,